Hi everybody, it's Pat. I'm back. Been a while, but I've been busy. Today we're going to be working on the series for making the B6 5x7 planner that we had started previously. Today we're on part 3, making the folder for the 5x7 planner. So we'll just get started now. Okay, I've already printed my paper. As you know, I always print my own papers on my printer. I printed it double-sided so that the inside will also be finished. Now we don't have to cut anything off of this. It's an 8.5 by 11 full. So we have to score it. So I'm gonna take our scoreboard. It's going to score on the 11-inch side, as you can see here, at 5.5. Okay, that's the middle. And then we're going to turn it, and we're going to score on the 8.5-inch side at 7. And that's going to form our pocket along the bottom. Okay. That's all the scoring we have to do. 2 score marks. On the 11-inch side at 5.5, and on the 8.5-inch side at 7. Okay, let's put this away, out of our way. Now we're going to fold on the dented side. We're going to fold it in the middle. And then, because this is a 5x7 planner, we're going to cut this at 7 inches. So I'm going to get my cutter. Okay, open this up. Now we'll put it in and measure 5 inches. So 5 by 7. So we have to cut off a 1/2 inch. Because we scored it at 5.5. Okay, let's cut that off. Alright. Through both? Yes. And that's it on that. Put that away. Okay, now we have, on this side we have another score mark. So we're going to fold on that score mark, fold it up. That's forming your pocket. See right there? Now what I want you to do, before you leave it folded, is take it like this. Now we want a little bit of a diagonal for the bottom, the inside of our pocket. So we're just going to cut that with a scissor. Cut it from this side. Say about 1/4 inch up to the score line. That's it. That's the piece. Okay, put this back to the center. Now we can fold up the bottoms. We'll give that a good burnish so it stays folded for us. Okay, now we're going to get our glue. I have my fine tip glue bottle. And we're just going to run some glue along this little edge here. Hopefully it's going to cooperate. Okay, we're back. Little technical difficulties there. Okay, now we have this side glued down. I'm gonna keep going. I don't know if we're recording anymore. But you glue the other side just a little bit along the edge. fold it up. I hope I'm in camera. I can't see anymore on my screen, so hold it down, let it dry a little bit. Okay, now we have our folder. Our folder is through the folder. Okay, we can. And there we have it. Give it a good crease, and that's our folder. Now I'm going to show you how to add a jump band. Being that we only have 4 elastics in this book, and we've added 4 inserts, and now we want to add the folder. So we add what's called a jump band. So I'm going to take out this second insert here. Okay, now we find the center of the insert, put them back to back, the front of the folder and the back of the insert at the middle of the insert. And this is a jump band. It's a very thin elastic. I cut it at, I think it was about 10 inches, maybe make it 11, and I tied a knot. And then you just slip it over both of these, and that attaches them. Now when you put them back into your elastic in the book, see, you'll put them this way. Here's our book. Here's our spot where we were. And you slide the whole first insert that you connected under. And you see that's the middle where they're attached. So now you've added an extra insert. So now we have 5. And to make these, I've been using this. I got it from Bead Buddies, I believe it was. It's called Buddy Stretch, but I'm sure you can find it somewhere else. It's 0.8 millimeter clear elastic. And I find I like this very much for jump bands only, not for any of the elastics in the book. Okay, so there we have it. That's how we make and insert a folder. Okay, I'm back. I also wanted to show you in this video how we make the pen holder. Now what you'll need is, this is a product called Craftex. It's a mixture of paper and fabric. Very sturdy. It comes in a roll. I got this on Amazon. A couple of yards, quite a few yards are on a roll. So what I've done, I've cut a strip that's 2 inches wide. And then I'm going to cut a piece like this that's 1/2 inch. And that will fit on these small mini clips, which I also get on Amazon. They are about 5/8 of an inch wide. So let's cut the piece. Half an inch right there. And we cut, and that's it. This is my piece I'll save. And I've also, you can decorate these if you want. On this one I've used a gel pen, and I've just made dots around it. This one I'm just going to leave it plain. Okay, so you take your mini clip. You need your hot glue gun, good and hot. You're going to put a little bit of glue right along the middle. Not too much, you don't want big globs of glue. Okay, that's good. And then you take your piece of Craftex and put it right up under those little areas on the clip right there, those two little clips. And hold that down. Let your glue dry. Give it a minute. Okay, now turn it over. You're going to do the same thing on the other side. Put some glue along here. Not too much. And you're going to bring this end up to the little clip area. Under those little hinges that are there. Don't worry, we'll clean up the exit. Now hold it, let it dry a bit. Till it feels cool. And there you have it. Like I said, you could decorate these with gel pens, light colored pens, or if you want to use white craft text, they sell that. Or black. They also sell black. Alright, I'll get that off with my heat gun. And that's it. And then you take your organizer, your planner that we've been working on, and you clip it to a few pages. I usually put it towards the back. If you open this up, there. Now you can open the clip. And clip it on. Close up the hinge. And that's it. These are the gel pens that I've been including. They write very nicely. Push it in. After a few times, it gets a lot easier. And when you close your book, there's your pen. Very good. And I also want to show you how you put the pocket on the front of your book. And I've made the pockets, but I haven't put the glue on the back, the tape. So we'll do that. This is the bottom. These are my little notched corners, so I know which is the bottom, and it also gets rid of those points. And we need 1/4 inch double-sided tape. Okay, take a piece, run it along the bottom edge. Along the sides. Both sides. And one along the top. Okay. Press your tape down so you get a good stick. Okay. You can remove the backing. This pocket was a pocket I had made, which is 4.5. Well, the inside of it would be 4.5. and it's 1, 2, 3 inches deep. Okay, so put your tape to the back. Take your organizer. Now don't lay it down yet. Decide where you want it. You want it closer to the outer edge than the inner edge, so it doesn't block it from closing. And then press it down. Give it a good press. You can burnish it. The more you press, the more your tape will sort of disappear. It'll show a little bit. But if you have things in the pocket, you won't see it anyway. And there it is. Pocket is finished. Opens at the top. You could fit quite a few things in here. You could even fit photos in here if you want. Being that it's 4.5, you can fit 4 by 6. Stickers, labels, tags, important information, whatever you need in your pocket. So there you have your pocket and your pen holder. Okay, so that's it for now. I'll be back. The next video will be part 4. We'll be making the page marker. Okay, thank you. See you then.